Ever dreamt of lounging in your pajamas, sipping coffee, while the money just rolls in? Well, dream no more. Welcome to the world of James Nash's six-figure universe. It's like building your own money-making robot, a faceless brand that works while you sleep. Imagine being a part of a community of digital marketers, all swapping stories about their latest beach vacation, funded by their online businesses. Picture yourself mastering digital marketing techniques, creating automated systems, and whispering the magical words, passive income. Our program is your golden ticket to financial independence. It's like a treasure map, but instead of X marking the spot, it's a step-by-step blueprint leading to daily pay. No, we're not offering a magic lamp with a genie, but our Legacy Builders program comes pretty close. So why wait? Dive into the pool of opportunity and let the waves of digital prosperity sweep you off to your dream destination. Remember, in the six-figure universe, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.